Hey everybody, this is what I'm going to call my first Lego hack. As you can see, I've got the roof in my hands, and you're probably wondering what in the world all of this is. So, if I can turn it over without ruining everything. I don't like how dark, or not how dark, how you can see all the way through the windows. So I created a little shade to block all the light from passing through the building because it has windows on all four sides. So what I did is I just took some fabric, cut it into strips, and sewed it onto Technic pieces. The spokes that I showed you, I can't really show you while I'm holding it, but this could be an epic fail, and we'll see how it works. Okay, here we are with my hack in place. You can kind of see right through some of these windows right there. You can see through that one right there. You can see all the way through, and that's because I didn't cut horizontally where all of the supports went through here and here. I cut vertically so it would miss them, but it kind of bunches right there and then leaves a hole. It's still better than it was, and I'll go around the backside so you can see the sunlight shining through instead of reflecting off. So you can see a little more through there, that you can see that whole strip of windows. But from the front, this would technically be the front of the building, if I can get the reflection off, which I'm not succeeding at. The windows are nice and dark. You can't see all the way through like you could before, and I think it worked well enough that I'm pleased with it. Anyways, I will see you next time, waiting for some parts so I can finish this baby up. Bye!